Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Super Tayo. In this video I will show you how you can achieve these graphics you are seeing here. So the first thing to do is to use the text tool to write graphics, then highlight it, then press shift F3 to change the case. You give it font here, you can expand it. We are trying to achieve that graphics you are seeing here. You can see this graphics, it has two colors, so that's what we are trying to achieve. So just click on that interactive field tool, drag it, and make sure you press shift so that everything will be straight. You can see because I'm not pressing shift, that's why it's showing like that. So you have to press shift. Now you can see the difference now. So you now click on that white, you give it color red, then you click on that black too, because we have two color there. You click on that black also, then you give it color, I think color, that one is color yellow, that one, this one is color red. So the next thing to do after that is just to control D means duplicate. You duplicate it. So you remove the color. You by pressing on that, you will see white. You will see that white that is there. You just press on it, then you come to this color palette side to give it outline color. So if you want to increase the outline color, you just press your F12 on your keyboard, then you see something like that, then you increase it. So the next thing to do now is to power clip that graphics with color. Power clip it inside the other one. So you understand, just click on the object, power clip. You see power clip there, power clip inside. You click, you just press on that one, then you press on your control to open that power clip, then you drag it down so that you can see small, we have a tiny white space there. You understand, you can see tiny white space in that reference, you can see. So that's what we are trying to achieve. So after that, you click on the contour. You want to give it contour. We have only one contour there. You can see, go to preset, give it flow outward. If we have many contour, we can give it like 3, 4, 5. So depend on the how many contour that we are having in the reference. You understand? So we have only one contour, so you have to use one contour. Then you Ctrl K it. Ctrl K means you break it apart. So after you Ctrl K it, that this is what they call Ctrl K. So you can also use the menu bar, but you can use Ctrl K on your keyboard also. Then you give it color. Then you remove the outline you are seeing there, that black part you are seeing there. You just remove it by right clicking on the keyboard, then choose set outline color. That's all. So what you have to do now is to draw this rectangle. You draw the rectangle, you give it two color. For you to achieve that two color, don't forget we have done something similar to this graphics before. You click on that interactive field tool and make sure you press your shift so that everything will be straight. You click on it, you drag it. You click on the rectangle, you drag it, the rectangle. You drag it. So you can see the black space, that black side is very small, but the white part is very big. So we have to adjust that. So for you to give it red, you have to click on that white part, on that white box you are seeing there, then you give it red, and let reduces. The white space is very small, so we have to adjust. Then you click on that icon you are seeing, black icon, then you give it yellow or orange. So that's all. And if you check the original graphics, that reference you are following, you can see there is something like shadow. Let's say shadow, there is shadow at the bottom, so you have to achieve that shadow also. You click on that graphics, then you give it shadow. So that's what I'm trying to do now. You click on that graphics first to give it shadow. You click on it, you can highlight it, highlight everything, so that you can be able to you can be able to, what they call, position everything. You understand? So that once you want to give it shadow, you may give it only the gravity alone. You will give everything. So that's what we are trying to do now. So that you'll be able to give everything. That's what we are trying to do. I think you can just go to preset and give it anyhow you like, but all you use mouse just drag it to any side. If you want to drag it up, you drag it up. If you want to drag it down, you drag it down. So the next lesson I will teach you how to achieve another logo. This logo is usually common, maybe for primary school. All this primary school, they usually use it because it is like old version of logo. So if you want to achieve something like this, you use the ellipse tool to draw circle. You control D the circle to achieve the duplication, so that you can have two circle. You understand? Then let's do it one after the other. So you highlight on everything, you press C on your keyboard to centralize everything, and you press E to give it the same height, so that you can place it on each other. Then you click on the circle, then you drag one circle like this. You drag it like this, then you give it color. You use the color eyedropper to choose the color, to steal the color somehow. So you give the outer part, the outer circle, you give it outline, you give it more thickness. Use the text tool to write Tile Studio. You understand? You want to centralize the Tile Studio, you can just press Ctrl E, but make sure you highlight on everything first. It's very simple to achieve. Then you use the text tool again to write learn to improve your career. For you to achieve this, you have to use your logic or sense of reasoning. You have to reason very well. The first thing is you should give it size. You have to know you are trying to replicate this original one, so you have to be very careful when you are doing something like this. You go to test, then feed test to parts. So you also have to make sure that everything is similar to the original one. Either you increase the size, either you decrease it. Just make sure that it is very similar to the original one. You don't have to press anything on your keyboard. Just use your mouse to position where the length to improve your career will be. So just make sure you are very careful, so that everything will be balanced. You understand? Then you press Ctrl K to break it, because if you don't press Ctrl K, there is no way you'll be able to give it color. You can see now, because I press Ctrl K, that's why I can give it color like that. So thanks for watching, guys. In case you have any question, on this video, on the previous one, just comment it down in this just comment it down. I will make sure I reply to you. Or if you have my number, just contact me on my WhatsApp. Then just ask me any question that you want. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be uploading more videos about how you can make money with paper or any money making opportunity. So thanks for watching, guys.